How to retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to retrieve your purchase history. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen. You will see the option for your orders. Tap on that. In this interface right here, you will be able to see all your orders in Temu until now. Now, on the top dashboard, you will see various options. Go ahead and tap on the delivered option and you will be able to see your purchase history. Now, go ahead and tap on the self-service to find order option. You can now find any order by simply entering your order ID or your email or your payment method or phone number. You can also check your reviews to see for the items you have reviewed before. So this is how you can retrieve your purchase history. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.